Yung posisyon ni Congressman Marcoleta, ang sabi niya naman, atin daw ang exclusive economic zone natin na to. Ang issue niya lang, hindi daw makikita sa kahit na anong libro ang salitang West Philippine Sea. Ang tanong ko naman sa kanya, kung naniniwala siyang atin ito, bakit bawal nating pangalanan? At kung hindi natin ito mapapangalan ng West Philippine Sea, ano ang recommendation niya na itatawag dito? Diba? And it's also worth mentioning, no, that the Philippine Maritime Zones Act na ipinasa ng Kongreso, if you're going to look at the Congress votes, no, members of the House of Representatives, wala doong nag-abstain at wala doong tumutol. Hindi ko lang alam kung absent si Congressman Marcoleta nung nagbotohan dito. Kasi ngayon may comment siya dito sa Philippine Maritime Zones Act. So that is something that you should also ask Congressman Marcoleta, whether he was absent during the passage of the Maritime Zones Act. Kasi as per record ng Congress, hinanap ko kung may nag-abstain ba o may nag-disapprove. Zero naman, no? Parang 284-0-0 yata. Parang ganyan. I'm not really sure. But nobody abstained, nobody disapproved the passage of the Philippine Maritime Zones Act. So meaning, if Congressman Marcoleta was present at the plenary for the voting of this bill, bumoto siya ng yes, unless absent siya. Ito mga ganitong statement, kaya ako pinapatulan lang. Kasi baka may mga Pilipinong mag-isip na wala nga talagang West Philippine Sea at mali ang ipinaglalaban nating West Philippine Sea. I'm not running for any public office and I don't think na ang paggamit ng West Philippine Sea para sabihin mo lamang na hindi ito totoo to get attention whatsoever ay napakamali, no? Para sa akin, it's unfair to the Armed Forces of the Philippines and for the Philippine Coast Guard and for the Filipino fishermen at sa lahat ng ating bayaning Pilipino na tumindig at nakipaglaban sa ating bansa, no? For a lawmaker to say those kind of things is something that is very unimaginable. I don't have to challenge him. I don't also have to respond to his challenge. Ang sabi niya, atin ang exclusive economic zone. For that, he agreed already. Ngayong atin iyan, ang tanong ko sa kanya, bakit natin bawal pangalanan? Di ba? Parang, iyo nga eh. Bakit ka mag-hesitate na pangalanan niya? Di ba? And secondly, how would the world recognize that the West Philippine Sea is truly existing and representing our own exclusive economic zone if you have a congressman like Congressman Marcoleta, who is part of our Congress, who is challenging the legitimacy of the West Philippine Sea himself? Because of our transparency efforts during the time of President Bongbong Marcos standing firm for the West Philippine Sea and a way for him to deliver his commitment of not surrendering a square inch of our territory to any foreign power, masasabi natin na mas tumaas na ang kamalayan ng ating mga mamamayang Pilipino, no? Hindi lamang ng taga-Palawan or Luzon, but even for people from Visayas and Mindanao have already understood that West Philippine Sea represents the entire nation, that it is a fight of all the Filipinos right now. So you can see from the poll surveys conducted, 84% of Filipinos support the Philippine government. Last year, Pulse Asia said 73% or 7 out of 10 Filipinos won't be supporting any candidates who are pro-China. So, para sa akin, ang issue ng West Philippine Sea, ang laban natin na to dito sa West Philippine Sea, ay it is already a good sign because of the transparency efforts. And I agree with you. I think this will be an issue that our voters will look into sa pagpili ng mga senador, kongresista, and even the local government unit leaders. No? And we should support that kind of elected official. It's very difficult for the Philippine Coast Guard or the Armed Forces of the Philippines to get the support of Congress for additional budget for the modernization of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and even for the acquisition of more capability for the Philippine Coast Guard. If we're going to elect members of Congress or members of Senate who are very clueless about what we're fighting for. Pretty much, kung ito pang mga iboboto natin dito ay mga pro-China. So, I think this is the right time for us to make sure that our voters will really be very wise right now to consider that this electoral positions are those who are supporting our fight in the West Philippines.